Hey girls, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you are new here, my name is Diamond Mine. Welcome. Today I will be doing a install video. This should be a video definitely geared towards my beginners. During COVID, a lot of things have changed, especially like the way people do business, and I've noticed that a lot of hairstylists or just people who provide a service in general have their books closed to the point where you have to either be a client previously, I guess before COVID, or you have to wait until whenever they decide to open up their books, which could damn near be next month, next year, who knows. Girl, you need your hair done now. I need you to keep on watching this video because I'm going to show you everything that you need to do to slay an install, as well as keep your coins in your pocket and learn how to do your own wig. This is the perfect look. Let me just say that, okay? This is the perfect look. Oh, this is actually like a sew-in look that I wanted, so I'm so excited that it turned out right. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Okay, so I haven't done a voiceover in a long time, but for this wig, I needed to talk about it. So this wig comes with a very nice pre-plucked hairline. I'm loving the dips and curves in this wig because it's going to definitely help with achieving a natural look. And I love the parting space on this wig, as you can see in my face. Like the way I parted this wig and how it just divided and separated without a hair in the middle of the lace. Like, y'all, this wig is already off to a really good start. And like, let me also add, the texture is so bomb. Like, it's so full. It's a little bit on the coarse side, but it is such a nice full texture. Like, look at that hairline, y'all. And this is a pre-plucked wig that I did absolutely nothing to. Now this part is looking a little wide right now, but later on in the video I'm going to show you how I fixed that and cleaned that right on up, honey. So please don't clock me. Now that I got my hairline laid, honey, I'm going to be using this Wig Dealer hairspray to secure the lace down. And y'all, look how nice this lace looks on my skin. Like, it blends so well. And mind you, I don't even have the lace cut yet. So this is definitely a nice quality wig with the banging hairline. The lace is really good. The texture is real good. So I am loving this right now.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So now that I have the wig super duper flat and I got the lace blended and melted into the skin, I'm going to apply heat to this hair just to see what this texture really do, because I loved the natural texture of it, which is giving me like a light blowout look with a kinky texture look, but it's not as full and coarse and thick like kinky texture. The density on this wig is actually perfect, and honestly I think I prefer this type of texture over kinky texture. And y'all know, like, I gotta really love this texture right now in order for me to say that. Like, I love how full and flowy and thick this wig looks in its natural state without any heat, and in the state of adding heat, as you guys see right here. So So here is a quick close-up of the lace, the hairline, the wig texture. Girl, just the whole thing, honey. It is definitely giving. So now I'm going to go in with the gray away marker and just clean up that line a little bit, because as you guys saw at the beginning, the part was a little too wide, but honestly it ended up working out once I got my hairline the way I wanted it to be. So now I'm just going in with a little bit of concealer and applying that directly on the lace to give a even more scalp effect. And here I'm just taking a razor comb and cutting some layers in the hair. Super easy. Can we just talk about how good this hair looks? Like, this wig looks so good. Like, y'all, I kid y'all not. I was gonna actually try to get like a sew in, like an install sew in, just like this. So I wanted some layers and then just like a little baby hair on the side. Y'all, the simple fact that this wig hit right on time is like crazy. I am in love with this hair. As you guys saw my reaction throughout the video, I was just like freaking out because this wig was giving me everything that I need, and I need to change my battery, so hold on. Shout out to Eayon Hair for sponsoring today's video, but we're gonna get into it, so let's talk about it. Let's talk about this hairline real quick. So as you guys saw at the beginning, the hairline had a lot of dips and curves in it, which I like, I appreciate, because it definitely helps with getting a realistic hairline look. Now also, I wanted to show you guys the rawness of the hairline. Like, I did not do any type of plucking. Did bleach the lace, which I don't think I should have did. The way I finessed this part, after I realized I over bleached in some areas, girl, it ain't even a problem, period. And I love the simple fact, did not have to go behind the pre-plucked hairline and pluck even more. Like, I did not have to do anything to this hairline. That's the first reason why this wig is definitely for beginners. Also for those who just want the conveniency of not having to pluck your wig, because it definitely can take some time to get the look that you are going for. The second thing is that I like is the density and the texture of this wig. I think it's like a light kinky texture. I don't really know, but this texture I love. I love that it's so much more fuller than the silky straight texture, which I'm really not a fan of. It's just too silky, it's too straight. I like texture to my hair, and this texture is perfect. It reminds me of my favorite texture, which is the kinky texture, but it doesn't have as much fullness, which I like for this particular install. But it definitely has that texture. It has that thickness touch to it, so I love that. And I also love just how flat and natural looking this install is. Like, y'all, this install looks so freaking good. Hairline, texture, great. One of the drawbacks, and I think this is probably like the only drawback, is I wish the ends were a little bit more fuller. Like, you see that? You see how some parts of the hair is like just on the thinner side? So I do wish that it was a little bit more fuller on the ends, but I mean, it's not like a deal breaker, but I do wish it was a little fuller on the ends. I've done a good amount of reviews for Eayon Hair, and I want to say, because I have so many wigs, I want to say this is probably like my favorite wig from Eayon Hair, and I'm definitely going to keep this in for the next 3 days, because the way this wig is set up and how good it looks on my head and the hairline, that is it for today's video. I would definitely highly recommend this be a wig you invest your money into. Overall install is going to look like it's your hair, like, and that's what we want when it comes to a wig install. We want a install that's going to look so natural that people think it's your hair. Looking at the website and the picture that they have for this install, it needs to be changed, okay? Because that picture and that wig on that mannequin head look a hot mess. they need to change that, and they probably need to put your girl on there. Okay, I'm just being honest, because that mannequin and that damn wig ain't doing it for them. Okay, perfect install. I'll make sure I have all of the information below, because I know I did not mention it in today's video because I simply do not have it. So make sure you check out that description bar. I will have everything below for you guys to check out and get your hands on this beautiful, flawless, just natural looking hairstyle. Like, I can't even stop smiling because I'm just so happy that I got a wig that is exactly like the install that I wanted. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning into today's video. My name is Diamond Mind. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.